Morning, guys. It's Chris from the daxtrader.co.uk. It is Tuesday, the 11th of September, and this is the Dax Technical Analysis summary. There is a trading disclaimer that applies, so if you continue watching this video, please pay attention to that in the description below. And if you like the content that we're providing here, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for the webinar, which takes place at 7 o'clock UK time every morning. And you'll find the link to the broadcast channel either on the website or in the description below. All right, so hope you had a good trading day yesterday. It was slightly challenging in the morning, very, very choppy, but there were a couple of good trades that were placed. If you have a look in the article for this morning, you'll see a couple of nice trades that managed to get on yesterday. Now, we're looking at the moment on the 60-minute chart, and the idea that I've got here at the moment is that we are going to do one of two things probably today. We're either going to take out the 1238 high, which was the high from yesterday, up towards the 12,090 level, which is the current trend-defining lower high, or we're going to break below this upsloping low-to-low trend line, which is the central of the three lines here, and head back down towards potential support. So if this was to happen and we get a break below this line, then I would imagine that this 11,948 or 11,950, give or take 20 points, 15, 20 points either side, will be the likely area that it catches. So we'll see. This particular line set is an action center reaction line set, and it's easy to pull together if you already have my chart book on Sierra charts, but if not, it's just a central line to start with. And then you take a parallel as high as the action point, which will be the high up here. And then you draw a parallel line equally opposite on the other side of the center line. And it provides a reaction line. So that's an approximate level. So that's kind of what I'm expecting to see. If it doesn't happen and we get a bounce and stay above the 12,000 level, then I would expect the 1238 to be tested. And if we break through that, then it's potentially up to the 1290 level. Now, this particular chart shows a volume profile, which is a composite profile all the way back to this previous confirmed lower high at the 1290. And you can see our value area here and our point of control from all of that volume down here at 945. So that would be the expected spot for any support to catch. And we'll keep an eye on whether that's going to be the case. We have broken out through this standing regression channel that I've had on here for pretty much the whole month of September. So that's encouraging for bulls. But like I said on the previous chart, a break below that upsloping low to low trend line could be interesting to look for a dip to buy if you wanted to get long. Controversial, I know. All right, and the last one we'll show is just a couple of numbers on here. So the point of control, as we've said, was 11,986 for yesterday. The daily pivot was 87. VWAP was 979. We had a value area between 12,013 at the high and as low as 953. And I'm interested in a break above 1263 or below 935. Okay. That's pretty much the main things, the main charts, shall I say. We did spend some time today looking through how to work out your risk when you're trading, the importance of win rates, the importance of understanding your expected value when you're trading and understanding your own personal trading strategy. So if you want to learn more about this kind of stuff, then be at the webinar and we'll go through it together. The webinars are recorded and they're uploaded for premium members as well. The points of control that are exposed at the moment, 984, 1253, 12123 are the most, the closest to current price action for now. Let's see which ones get taken out. There we have it. So in that case as well, just the last thing to be aware of, and you can see this on the article, but we've got the ZEV index coming out today at 10. The expected level for that is going to be minus 14.9, so they're expecting that to get worse, perhaps because of the trade dispute and ongoing issues, but over delivery on that number could be beneficial for the DAX, so keep an eye on that. That's 10 o'clock. Yes, 10 o'clock UK time, so a couple of hours from now. We're about 8 minutes before the 8 o'clock volume comes in, so just keep an eye out on the opening range of that first hour to see which way we also break today. Hope to see you guys again in the morning for the webinar. But apart from that, have a good trading day, and we'll catch up with you again tomorrow. Take care, guys.